Hello and welcome. So it's time to take a look into the various OCI AI services. And the very first service that we will look into is OCI Digital Assistant, right? So instead of me telling you what an OCI Digital Assistant is, what it does, and you start learning it, I always say look at the root word. So the root word here is assistant, right? Now, if I ask you who is an assistant, or if you must have heard the terms like personal assistant, a PA, right, or a personal secretary. So a personal assistant, also known as a personal aide or personal secretary, is a job title which describes a person who assists a specific person with their daily business or personal tasks. So if you look in your organization, you have a CTO, CEO, they would definitely have got a personal secretary. There are a lot of big doctors who are really busy. They would have, or big surgeons, they would have their own personal assistant or personal secretary. So that's all what a digital assistant does. So think about a digital assistant as a PA to a business. So for a business, we are talking about an OCI digital assistant, which is acting as a personal assistant to the business. And to keep things simple, just think about it. With the help of OCI digital assistant, you are able to create your own chatbots. So let's take a look. So it says that OCI Digital Assistant is a conversational AI platform, right? Which means, again, the root word, you can converse, right? You can converse with this platform. You say something, you type something, it's able to understand it, it's able to give you the reply, right? So OCI Digital Assistant leverages artificial intelligence. So it's a service which is built on artificial intelligence to enable natural and effective conversation between users and applications. So very important that either you can converse via text or you can converse via voice. So this is a platform which is built with AI as its backend, right? It gives you multi-channel support. So it supports various channels. So how could you start your journey towards this? So it says that you can initiate your journey from various channels. You could do it via web, using mobile, popular messaging platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, voice interfaces, which actually provides a seamless experience across different platforms. So if you see here, there are various messaging channels. Alexa is there, Facebook Messenger is there, even Viber is there, Slack, which is very popular, a messaging tool, then Telegram. So all these are your messaging channels, or it allows multi-channel support. Remember that, right? So if you see here, through all these channels, you can actually connect to your Oracle Digital Assistant, right? Yes, and it does give you integration with various enterprise systems. So what Oracle says is that it's only the Oracle Digital Assistant. It offers out of the box. Remember, it gives you out of the box chatbot skills for Cloud ERP, Oracle Cloud SCM, right? For HCM, Cloud CX, and you can just simply start working on it, right? So it can be easily integrated with various enterprise systems within your department or your company, right? And yes, it is based on natural language processing. What it means is that the way you converse can be natural language. It could be English, it could be various other languages that you speak. So it's just natural language. You don't have to specify, or you don't have to program it to actually interact with it. So it's based on NLP capabilities to understand and interpret the user intent. Very important. We are saying it's a user's intent. What do you want, right? The journey starts from here. Like if you visit HSBC, Sky, let's say you are a banking customer and you are interested to know, whether there was a fraudulent transaction happening. So you just go to the chatbot of HSBC or your Bank of India or SBI, and the digital assistant asks you, hey, how are you? How can I help you? Like that's the first word. Then you say, oh, I'm interested to know if there is a fraud happening on my account. Then it says, okay, can you give me your account number? So this way it's interacting with you, right? So it's all based on the natural language processing, and very important because it's based on machine learning and artificial intelligence. You'll see that the platform has learning capabilities, right? And which enables digital assistant to improve the response and interaction over time. So because it's based on machine learning, and now we all know what is machine learning, I won't go into the details. So you can just think about it that it is constantly improving. So the response that you get today, and if you try it after say a month or 2 months, you'll see the responses have improved, right? So it's constantly learning. And yes, very important, it has got some pre-built skills. So it offers a range of pre-built skills and templates that can be used as a starting point for common functions, right? So if you see here for we are talking about HCM skills or third-party skills, it could be something like it's happening in our hiring process, approvals process, candidate experience, and there are various skills already which are pre-built, and there are a lot of templates that you can just simply make use of which are available out of the box, right? And it's scalable and secure, yes, because it's all built on OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, which is considered to be one of the secure platforms Oracle gives to the customers. So it is designed to be scalable to handle large number of users and interactions. So you don't have to worry about say your user scale. It can easily scale based on your requirements. And yes, as I said, it's not only in English, it is multi-language support. It supports various languages, which enables a business to deploy a digital assistant in various linguistic regions, which caters to the global audience. So it's not only English, it could be French, it could be German, several other languages. You can always check what all languages the OCI Digital Assistant provides. But the good thing is that it does support multiple languages. And very important point, people think that you can just interact with the digital assistant using text, like just saying, hey, I'm interested in this thing, right? But it does have voice capabilities, remember that. And it can be integrated with voice interfaces, right? There can be, so as I said, that you are initiating from Facebook Messenger, from Alexa, from Viber. You can integrate with voice interfaces, which allows voice-based interaction and enhanced accessibility, right? So it's not only that, say you are traveling and you are mobile on your mobile. So it's not that you have to type on it. You can just simply use voice capabilities and interact with it. So yeah, I think with this, you've got a very good understanding. All the OCI Digital Assistant is doing is it's actually helping you to create your own chatbots for your business. What a personal assistant does for humans, it is a personal assistant for the business. Thanks for watching.